Hi friends, energy, energized and energetic. Awesome, positive vibes, be energetic always. This is my fourth video about career, the series. Today, I will discuss about the focus on career and how should we go. There is 5-step process asked for me to find your best career option. First, what is career? I've already told you. Again, I'm telling you. Career is three things: your ability, your interest, and opportunity available in the market. These three things gives you a best option to find your best option in career. So what are the 5-step processes? First step is to define yourself. Define yourself is what is your interest, what is your skill set, and this can be determined by using this artificial intelligence platform. A lot of things, the questions will be there, I got to answer. There, from there, you can know who you are. Second step is to find the best career options, better career options available. Explore the career options that is available in the market based on the first one. Third is consult a career counselor, because you may be having some doubts. What will happen if I go there, this career, if I choose this career, these things. So once you consult a trusted career counselor, he can advise you the better options for you. Then you have to take action. The fourth step, you have to take action. Define your opportunities and your abilities, interest level. Which one you want to take into further? You have to take actions on those. And last is find the best one. So these are the 5-step processes. Next video, we will see how to define yourself. What is the skill set and those things that tester goes on to find yourself. Okay. Thank you till then. All the love, all the power.